My name is Gordon Wade, and I'm sharing the final project I did for CS50 through Harvard Extension School in the spring of 2018. So this project is called FireScreen, and it is a tool to help with biological data analysis. So we start with some inputs like this, where we have a sample up here that's been run through the pipeline to find out what type of microbes are present in it, which would be listed here. And then there's some associated metrics listed over here. This is test data that I just made for testing and sharing with the submission. So let's take a look at the script. You can see here, when we run it, that there are two required arguments. The first is a list of an input list, which just is a list of file paths to the type of file I just showed, and the output, which is just for naming purposes. So if we go ahead and run the script with the summarize, aggregate, and display option, it's going to take in all those inputs, and it's going to do the summarization, where it adds everything up together, the aggregation, where it will show different samples next side by side for easy comparison, and display, it's going to display these series of graphs, where it takes the top 3, or n, which you can also set for each metric for each sample type. So we can get rid of these now. And then the other thing that it does is it outputs a whole bunch of files. So you can see those graphs were just outputted here. You can also see that we have some summarized text files and some summarized TSVs for further analysis. But then the coolest part is that it calls Krona, which is an external program that's been developed. And this is an interactive type of graph that is based on the data that we fed it, and you can use it to really easily drill up and down and explore your data.